everyone, this is Nikita. Welcome back to my English learning journey. Today is day 29 of my English learning journey. Today I want to talk about something very important that I realized during this journey. The realization is simple but is very powerful. Real growth is slow but is unstoppable. Many people think learning a language happens quickly. They think one day they will suddenly become fluent. But the truth is very different. Learning a language like a growing tree. You plant a seed, water it every day, but you can't see the growth immediately. But if you keep watering the plant, one day it becomes strong. My English journey is exactly like this. Sometimes I stop and thinking about my day first. On day first I was nervous. I was thinking too much about grammar. I was thinking too much, make mistakes. I was worried about what people would think. But today is day 29. Something has changed. Maybe my English is not perfect yet, but my confidence is stronger. Now I understand that learning English is not just about a language. It is about changing the way of think. Many people see the final result of the success. They see someone speak fluent English and think it was easy for them. But behind every success, there are many silent struggles. There are moments of doubt. There are moments when we feel tired. There are moments when you feel like stopping. I also feel this moment sometimes, but I remind myself of one important thing. Every expert was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfect. Continuing something every day requires courage. Some day we feel excited. Some day we feel lazy. Some day we feel demotivated. But success belongs to those who continue even on difficult ways. Motivation can disappear, but discipline keeps us moving. But even on days when I don't feel motivated, I still practice speaking because I know that consistency will bring results. One thing I realized during my journey is that learning English doesn't only happen in books. It happens everywhere. It happens when we watch videos. It happens when we listen to the conversations. It happens when we try to describe our day in English. Even simple activities can become English practice. For example, you can describe your morning routine in English. You can talk about your favorite food in English. You can explain what you did during the day. Every small conversation builds fluency. Learners focus too much in perfections. They want perfect grammar, they want perfect pronunciation, they want perfect sentence. But the truth is communication is more important than perfection. If people understand your message, you are already successful. Fluency comes later, confidence comes first. One of the biggest lessons in this journey is of believing in yourself. Sometimes people around us may doubt our abilities. Sometimes they may say learning English is too difficult. But the most important voice is the voice inside our mind. If we talk ourselves that we can do this, we will improve. Our mindset controls our progress. Learning anything meaningful requires patience. Nothing valuable, just like building muscles takes time in the gym. Language skills also takes time. Each day of practice adds a small improvement. and those small improvements create a big transformation. If you are watching this video and you are also learning English, I want to say something to you. Don't stop, don't lose hope, don't think you are too late. Every day is new opportunity to improve. Even if you speak only few sentences in a day, it is still progress. Every sentence you speak in one step forward. When I look at my journey, I feel proud that I started. Starting is always the hardest step, but once you start, the journey becomes exciting. Every new word feels like a small victory. Every new sentence feels like a progress. And every day of practice building builds confidence. So today I want to say something to everyone who is learning English. Believe in yourself, trust in progress, and never stop learning, because one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. Thank you for listening to me. Today was a day 29 of my English learning journey. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next day.